seen a prom before? All right, I'm going to put this down now, because I think it stopped snowing. Oh, look, we've got this big, beautiful orchestra. Hiya! Hi, hi. Oh, that's sweet. Yeah, particularly him. You know, the last time that I went to a concert was, 1986. Yeah. I saw Queen. Have you heard of them? Yeah. Not bad, are they? Bit noisy. Anyway, my name is Mrs. Flood. Yeah, that's my name, true and proper, so don't argue. I mean, you do believe me, don't you? Oh, dissension in the ranks. I mean, what else would I be? Some outer space villain in disguise? No, don't make me laugh. I'm just a nice, quiet, friendly soul. Which is more than I can say for my neighbours. I tell you, the girl upstairs calls herself Ruby. Ruby Sunday. Yeah, pretty girl. And I've seen her going to and fro with that mysterious man, you know, with the funny blue box. And I thought to myself, hello. What's happening here, then? I mean, what is the truth? You know, sometimes I hear whispers on the breeze telling me stories, amazing tales, like this one. Ladies and gentlemen, the legend of Ruby Sunday.